Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise I ain't make it then. In the heavy, I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM making G's like Mercedes Benz. Whoa, yeah, big offense. It isn't you, I'm just not interested in making friends.
What's up, guys? Mark here at Wired Kustoms Motorsports. That is a 2003 Corvette. We are adding an amplifier to it and running power through the firewall on these. The pain in the butt. So I'm gonna do a little YouTube video to help people out because it's a pain in the ass. So first and foremost, I was browsing on YouTube and seeing there's a lot of people that are creating holes, right? There's no real reason to create the hole, in my opinion. Pull that battery out, and you're gonna have a little grommet here, right there. There's a grommet right up in here. You can see it right there, right here. And you can do one of two things. You can cut a hole, a slice in it, just enough to clear the wire, and then that's your grommet. As the wire enters, it's tight, right? No real water is coming up that high and getting into the battery tray. It's just not happening anyways. Or you can push the grommet in and run your wire through like that. Again, there ain't no water getting up in there anyways, so it's physically impossible in my opinion. But yeah, that's basically it. C5 Corvette. Pull the battery out to get access points, to get to all this area here. And then always use something like this. A wire hanger is not recommended in my opinion, because the wire hanger has a freaking end on it that can stab stuff. So just use long zip ties. It's all we use for years. Long ties. They're kind of pricey and they come in like big packs, but that's it.